Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Ford Expedition key fob. First, gather all key fobs you wish to program at this time. Ensure your vehicle's battery is fully charged for a smooth process. Also, confirm all doors and windows are securely closed before you begin. This preparation ensures a successful programming session. Now, let's get your vehicle into programming mode. Insert a working key into the ignition. Quickly turn the key from the OFF position to the RUN position 8 times. Make sure to complete this sequence within 10 seconds, ending with the key in the RUN position. You should hear the door lock cycle. With the vehicle in programming mode, it's time to program your fobs. Press any button on the first key fob you want to program. The door locks will cycle again, confirming it's programmed. Repeat this step for any additional key fobs you have, pressing a button on each one. Do this for all fobs, including existing ones. To exit programming mode, simply turn the ignition key to the OFF position. Remove the key from the ignition. The door locks will cycle one last time, signaling that the programming sequence is complete. Now, take a moment to test all your newly programmed key fobs to ensure they function correctly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.